My name is Curtis, and we are out at Butcher Jones today with Parker and his tan Z71, and also my Z71 out here. We also just removed our sway bar, so we're about to go hit the trail and kind of give it a little feeler on how she feels without the sway bar. Honestly, I'm loving it, but let's go hit the trail and I'll talk about it more. Okay. There goes Kurt. See you later, man. Nah. You're good now. Straight. You're good. Keep coming straight. Hold on, stop right there. All right, go ahead. Ooh. Don't scratch my bumpers. Oh yeah, my money shot. Alright guys, well driving on the freeway and everything with the sway bar off feels pretty nice. I'm probably going to leave it off because I kind of like when I'm turning and the tire wants to lift off the ground. It's pretty nice. So far off-road it feels a lot smoother for sure. Like right now we're hitting these whoops going, I don't know, 20 miles an hour, and normally it would be really rough, but it feels pretty good. And we still have no suspension. Still doing it raw, but so far, the sway bar helps out a lot. So don't be afraid. If you guys are really thinking about taking your sway bar off, I say 100% do it. I'm probably thinking about maybe doing some sway bar disconnect options. Trying to figure something out, fab something up for that. But right now, I'm just gonna run with it off and kind of feel it out. And like we're hitting some pretty big whoops right now. And, it's all right, not too bad. That last little obstacle we did there, it was pretty easy, but poor Finley, man.
Dude, you got smushed.
He flew into my backseat when we came down off that ledge, and he's okay now. He loves it. Look at him, he's smiling. Well, everyone, Deviate is, I'm going there to do the last little revisions on the bumpers, so that means they're coming out pretty soon for you guys. So I'll be having a video on that pretty soon, so we'll be out there getting the last revisions of the bumpers for you nice followers to get bumpers. So we're gonna keep going on this trail and try to figure out where we're going, because I'm totally off. We're totally off the trail, but we're in some wash with a bunch of whoops. I'll check back in a bit when we find some more cool shit to do. All right, so we had to stop and take a little chiller because let's just say the OEM shocks like to have shock fade real quick, so there's like no shocks on board right now. So we're gonna take a little break, let them cool off, and then kind of finish out the trail. I thought this trail was gonna be a little bit cooler. We had that one little step down thing. We probably should have just went right back up that spot because there ain't nothing past that. So we're gonna keep on going on this trail and kind of see how it's looking. But it is beautiful out here though, sunset right now, and we're gonna see what other stuff we can get into up there on that part of the trail. Hopefully it doesn't go too fast. It gets pretty bad. Roll your truck. We gotta go home. I know. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Blame it on the spotter. That's
Just blame it on everyone else.
Drunk. Why does this feel so much scarier when I'm in the driver's seat? Whoa!
Oy.
Nope, definitely not that way. Bumper, huh? Back up. No, you're never gonna make it.
Kurt.
Oh, I forgot it's yours. Here you go. Keep coming. Keep coming. Okay, back up. All right, go straight. Turn your wheel straight. Okay, right again. Turn right. Here we go. Keep going. Whoa, we're heavy. We're gonna snap a tire on. Yeah. The tire goes ka-dum, ka-dum, ka-dum. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Try and firmly grasp it. What the fuck? You just ain't got enough. It's that Arizona dirt, dude. Okay, hold on. A little bit. Oh my god. Alright. You're fucking heavy, dude. Just braking gas at the same time so that you slowly crawl up. Oh yeah. There it goes. Yeah. Oh, you're in it. Hey, you know what would have broken a tie rod there? Bronco.
Bronco?
No, wait. Tacoma.
Oh my god.
I knew we could make that.
What the hell?
That Arizona dirt, it ain't like that sand hollow dirt
Uh-uh.
or slick rock, so that was a little scary. Hell yeah, Parker. That was a little scary. I took the hard line and we made it. Thankfully you didn't go for that hard line. I'm glad you did. I'm glad you didn't do the hard line. I would have been so fucking scared. All right, we didn't break anything? I hope not. All right, let's get back home. We're keeping on going. If you guys like this night wheeling stuff, let me know in the comments because this is pretty fun. If you can tell, you know, it is pretty bumpy out here. You know, we need that suspension. We're struggling, but that was a fun little obstacle in the night. Never done that one before, but let's keep going on this trail and hopefully make it home in one piece. All right, everybody, so that's about it for today's video. Just a little tester with the new sway bars off, and I'm kind of digging it with the sway bars off, so I think I'm gonna keep it that way until we do like a sway bar disconnect type of deal. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you wanted to see some more night wheeling like this. Never done it on the channel before, but it's pretty fun actually. A little scary, but it's pretty fun. So peace out. I love you guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, check out my shop. I love you guys so much. Peace out.